If you have ever considered investing in real estate, now might be the right time. While 2021 has proven to have many financial ups and downs, you might have the opportunity to make a solid profit from selling or renting out an investment property. It's one thing to know that residential real estate can be a smart investment, also other thing to know which homes will make the greatest profit when it's time to sell. As with all investments, you can increase your odds of a successful real estate investment by targeting the right cities. There are certain cities across the United States that offer more opportunities for real estate investors. So here are the 12 best cities in America to invest in real estate. 12. Tampa. Another popular city in Florida for real estate investment is Tampa, due to their bustling economy worth over $130 billion. And their booming financial and healthcare industries. Tampa has a job growth rate of 71% over the national average. In addition, Tampa has 4 Fortune 500 companies and plenty other successful organizations, putting the city on the map for being one of the best performing cities in the country. Tampa Bay area has been named one of the nation's top 10 markets for real estate investment several times in the past. Tampa is currently a hot seller's real estate market. The demand is exceeding the supply, giving sellers an advantage over buyers in price negotiations. In other words, there are less homes for sale than there are buyers in the marketplace. Tampa is also known for their tourism and sunny weather, making it a spot for retired professionals and short-term dwellers looking for apartments to rent. 11. Sacramento. Located northeast of San Francisco area, Sacramento is the state capital and one of the best places to buy rental property in California. With many jobs being remote, residents of California and the West Coast are looking to buy or rent property that will give them the most space for the most affordable price. In addition, 1 in 4 residents of the San Francisco Bay Area are thinking about moving to Sacramento. With that being said, Sacramento is becoming a popular place for real estate investors to take advantage of. 10. Colorado Springs. If you're thinking about investing in real estate in Colorado, look past Denver and consider Colorado Springs. Believe it or not, an investor can buy 2 homes in Colorado Springs for the price of one in Denver. Traditionally known as a city for agriculture, Colorado Springs has witnessed a 5.5% gain in non-farm jobs within the past few years. Because of this, it was named by WalletHub as the 5th best city in the U.S. to find a job in 2019. Now, the city continues to grow and progress as one of the country's hottest sellers market. 9. Jacksonville. While Jacksonville might not come to the front of your mind when thinking about the best cities for real estate investment, Jacksonville has a lot to offer investors. With over 1.5 million residents and a population increase of 14% within the last 10 years, Jacksonville has put itself on the map for being a city bustling with industry and an outstanding healthcare system. With this population growth has also brought an immense amount of jobs to the city, and that number is predicted to continue rising, with an estimated 39.21% job growth in the next 10 years. 8. Houston. With roughly 7 million inhabitants, the Houston metro area is the 5th largest in the country, and it continues to grow, nearly doubling the nationwide population growth rate. Named one of the best cities for young entrepreneurs and one of the best places to live, Houston has a lot to offer professionals that goes beyond being a city known for space, medicine, oil, and big businesses. In addition to its economic environment, Houston is known for its affordability. In fact, its median price for a 3-bedroom home is 21% lower than the national average. It claims 53 companies on the Fortune 1000 list, making it the 3rd most concentrated city behind New York and Chicago. These prices, combined with its bustling businesses, makes Houston an obvious location for real estate investors to consider. 7. Phoenix. The capital of Arizona, Phoenix is a well-established city, rooted in tourism, education, technology, and military. Its warm weather makes it an appealing place to live, work, and visit. Not only does Phoenix have hot temperatures and sunshine, it also has affordable real estate and offers a strong return on investment. Phoenix is known to be one of the highest appreciating locations in Arizona and the country due to its lower cost of living, variety of job opportunities, and future potential. Phoenix is predicted to be one of the top housing markets this year. 6. Columbus, the capital of Ohio and largest city in the state, is known for being a tech-centric location and one of the best cities to live and work in the country. Among this industry and many others, Columbus has had steady job growth within the past few years. In addition, its population has grown over 10% in the last 8 years, making Columbus the 14th largest city in the United States with over 2.1 million residents. 5. Dallas. Known as the #1 metro area for job growth in the last year, Dallas has attracted many companies to set up base in the city due to fewer business regulations, lower taxes, and an overall lower cost of doing business. With an annual job growth rate of 2.70%, Dallas has added over 100,200 new jobs to their economy in the past year. On top of an increase in jobs, Dallas is also a desirable location for people to live because of the lower cost of living offered to employees. For example, in 2019, the median price of a 3-bedroom home was $145,000, which is 35% lower than the national average. 4. Charlotte. Recognized by CNBC as the third best city in the country to start a business, many people have moved to Charlotte to partake in a variety of business and social benefits. In addition, the city is known for having an urban-suburban feel with a booming economy and strong culture. With a job growth rate of 3.10%, Charlotte has transformed into a significant location for finance, with the second most banking assets after New York City. 3. Las Vegas. Vegas was one of the cities which hit hardest by COVID-19, but it's bouncing back rather rapidly. And it's an excellent area for real estate investors. With low taxes and an abundance of land to develop, Vegas has always been a great city to invest in. This city is known for its booming industries. Not only is the city popular for its tourism, gaming, and entertainment, but it also has a thriving industrial sector and growing high-tech financial scape. As new businesses continue to arise, Las Vegas is continuing to attract new residents and fuel this year's real estate market trends. 2. Atlanta. Next on our list is Atlanta. Known as the third largest metropolitan region in the Southeast, Atlanta's population has grown by 12.18% in the last 8 years, which is 111% faster than the national average of 5.76%. In addition, many tech-based and financial companies like Google and BlackRock are growing in Atlanta, helping to contribute to the area's annual job growth rate of 2.15%. Atlanta is also a very affordable city, with the median purchase price of a 3-bedroom single-family home at $190,000, which is 15% lower than the national average. 1. Orlando. Reaching the top of our list is Orlando, Florida. Ranked as Forbes' #1 best place to buy a house 3 years in a row, Orlando is known for being an affordable location with plenty of social and economic benefits. With about 2.6 million residents, Orlando's population has continued to grow 252% faster than the national average over the past 8 years. On top of population growth, Orlando's job growth is one of the best in the country, with a 3.44% one-year job growth rate and over 45,000 new jobs created in the last year. In addition, Orlando's tourism and job market growth in leisure and hospitality are at really significant highs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you next time.